what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. Can't stop thinking about you.
Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about something a little bit different. I wanted to introduce you to my website. So we are so excited about this website. It really is an extension of my channel, and I wanted to give you guys somewhere that you could go to and it would have, you know, all the really important information that you need. It would have some other resources for you, and that really is what this website is all about, and I am so excited about it. So I wanted to just go over it with you guys so you know how to use it and all the awesome features and all the cool things that I have happening on the site just for you guys. All right, so the first thing obviously you're going to see when you get to the site is some of my YouTube videos. And these videos that I have on here, they're going to change constantly. I have written some little descriptions next to them, and these videos I wanted to be here for really the educational purpose, and that is my love, my passion. I always love to just teach people and train people, and in every single job I've ever had, I've always done that. And this is just kind of what I get to do with you guys every day. So these videos are really going to change out based on what I'm getting asked about a lot, or something that I really feel like you guys just need to know. Another really awesome feature that you guys need to bear with me as I kind of get back into is the blog section. So I actually love writing. I used to do it all the time. It's been a very, very, very long time since I've done it, but I wanted to go ahead and offer you guys blogs. I actually am one of those people who would prefer to go to Google and read how to do something. So some of these are going to be pictorial type blogs. Some of them are just going to be about me and my life with wigs. And some of the blogs are even going to be written by Stanley, because it's always nice to have the perspective of our significant others that have to deal with us and our wigs. You can go ahead and leave comments on these blogs, and I absolutely would love for you guys to do that. It would be awesome, but I hope that they are helpful, funny, and, you know, like I said, stick with me as we go along this journey together. So the next thing that I want to talk to you guys about, which is something that we are super excited, and when I say we, I seriously mean Stanley is just as excited about this as I am. We are doing what we are calling the Wig Wall, and what this is, it is actually a really awesome forum. There aren't really any wig kind of specific chat forums out there, and this one is specifically designed to be very much like social media platform where you can scroll through, people can post, you can leave pictures, you can leave links, you can leave comments, all of that fun stuff, but it's all wig related. So this is going to be a super fun, exciting kind of new thing for us to do with you guys, and it's going to be awesome. So this is going to be $2 a month. It's subscription based, and it's really going to help maintain the forum. And hopefully you guys find value in it. It's definitely, I think, worth the $2 a month to just be part of the community, to have those resources, and to be able to hang out with all of your wig sisters. All right, so the next page we have here is the Contact Us page, and this is really going directly to our Wig Support email. This is going to be really meant for you guys if you're having a hard time finding something on my channel and you really are having an emergency situation with your wig, you've gone to the forum, maybe they can't help you there, you can email me directly and I will try to get back to you as quickly as I can. Please give me like 24 hours at least. I do have work and kids and, you know, all the crazy stuff in my life, so it might take me a minute to get back to you, but that is definitely a great resource if you need to reach out to me directly. So I am super excited to be able to bring you guys a couple really awesome products. The first one is my everyday synthetic wig spray. So what that is it is an all-in-one kind of leave-in conditioning spray. Use it for flyaways. It's a really, really great product. It comes in scented, unscented. There'll be videos going into these and what all you can do with them, but they are absolutely awesome, if I do say so myself. I also have a detangling wig brush. I love this brush. It is going to be designed to cause the least amount of damage to the fibers. I've used it in a lot of my shorts if you want to go check it out, and there's a ton of wig sisters out there who have this brush who can let you know what they think. And then the last couple things I have on here, to be honest with you, I'm actually insanely excited about, because once upon a time, I used to do a lot of graphic design stuff for people, and I get to do that again for you guys. I designed and kind of tried to decorate my wig room, and in doing so, I realized there are no wig room related specific items out there to decorate. So I wanted to bring you guys some decor for your wig walls and your wig rooms. So as you can see, there are a couple of designs here. I've got some coffee mugs, I've got some posters in all sorts of sizes, but make sure you're checking back because I already have tons of ideas for more, and I'm gonna be changing them and adding them as we go. All right, so that really is the gist and kind of overview of my website. I am so excited to bring this to you and all of these really awesome features. I hope you guys love it. Let me know what you are excited about. Let me know if you think there's something that we really could kind of improve on or something that you feel like is missing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.
Take it away. What did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.